What's up, traders? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to catch the sniper entries in the forex market. Let's get to the video. Yo, what up, gang? So I've been holding this market for a week, but today I see the rejection is coming too much. So now I'm gonna get out the market. Yes, I'm gonna get out the market, guys. I'm gonna get out the market because it's been retesting too much, and I don't wanna lose my profit to become a loser, and I say so. I'm just gonna get out with this. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get out with this. This is enough for me. You know what I'm saying? This is enough for me, guys. This is enough for me for sure. This is enough. As you can see, guys, I took it from here after the market was broke out at this area right here, and then I took the opportunity right here. You know what I'm saying? I've been swinging it for a week, since Monday last week. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm gonna get out from this one and looking for some other pair. You know what I'm saying? So let me first take profit for this one. Let me first take my profit. What's going on? Let me first take my profit, guys. This was crazy, you know what I'm saying? So this is the reason of swinging, guys. When you swing the market, first you avoid to lose too much because you take few opportunities that are going to make you money. So now I think I'm gonna look for USD ZAR, ZAR. I wanna see this morning how the movement for this pair. USD ZAR. I wanna check the movement for the pair. So I'm gonna buy this one, guys. I'm gonna buy it, and I'm gonna buy it now, guys. I'm gonna buy it now. My loss size is 0.31. I'm gonna buy it now, guys, and I'm gonna buy it so hard because I see something that makes me happy for sure. I saw something that makes me happy for real. I saw something that makes me happy. So, guys, as you can see, guys, I'm taking this opportunity because of the strategy. The strategy right here, it says that the market, it's going to buy, because you can see it's already black up to the level 20, which means it's going to buy hard, guys, all the way to this point right here. So that's why, guys, I'm buying this currency. You know what I'm saying? Don't be surprised. This is the reason why I'm buying this currency. This is the reason why I'm going to buy this currency. And also, guys, you can see the time. The time is time for the USD to be active. The USD currency at this time it's active because still early morning, guys. So USD is active at the moment. So that's why I'm buying this currency. And you can see, guys, I already buy it. So now I'm going to look for some area to put my stop loss. And so don't worry about the losses, guys. You will always start with the losses and then you end up with the profit, if you really know why you did buy the currency. So in this case, guys, as you can see here, in this case, guys, I'm gonna show you everything, guys, the reason why I'm buying this currency. I hope you're going to learn something. But please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like this video, because everything I'm showing you right now, guys, it's things that are going to help you make money in this journey. You know what I'm saying? So look, you can see, guys, here the market, the mobile strategy I'm using at the moment. The market has been here at this level 8, which this is the strong buy, and the market has already broke level 20, which means going to be like a strong trend. You know what I'm saying? Special Now it's already on level 40. So if we come to the price action, all right, if we come to the price action, you can see here the market has been trying to break this area right here. You can see we got this touch at, let's say there's some zone right here, but let me just put some zone so that you guys can be able to understand what I'm about to show you. You can see here, guys, here you can see right here we have this zone right here. Okay, I hope you all can see that we have this zone right here. Okay, and the other confirmations, guys, we have the market has been here at level 80. Let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean by that. You can see here at this level on RSI, the market has been at level 8. You know what I'm saying? After that, you can see that the market has been trying to break this area right here on the chart, on the price action on the chart, but couldn't, because it's a strong it's a strong area. It's not easy the market to break it. Gave us the first touch, gave us the second touch, gave us 30 touch, and we got this candlestick right here says that it's time for the market, for the buyers to enter the market. Only if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Let me show you guys. Let me zoom in. Then if you know, you know. If you really know this, you know. Everyone must get in the market. If you really know that you are a forex trader, you're here looking for the money, at this point you need to enter, because you can see the zone, what the zone says. First touch, second touch, 30 touch, and we got this candlestick right here says that this is time for buyers to enter, which means we're going to swing. We're going to swing from here straight up all the way to this point over here. Okay, over there. And at that time right here on RSI, the strategy is gonna be at this point right here. It's gonna be the time to get out of the market. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, we about to get to the profit, right? We about to get to the profit. So this is the reason why, guys, I'm buying this currency. I hope this reason is going to help you if you're really using this strategy right here. And for this who doesn't have this strategy, check my previous video, guys. I already share the strategy. These strategies, guys, my strategies, they're working so perfect. And if you really following everything that I'm sharing with you, you know what I'm saying? Join free Telegram group if you're new to the channel, and you feel like you want to join the team, you can join free Telegram group. You can see, guys, we're getting to the profit. So you can join free Telegram group, guys. The link is on the description below. You know what I'm saying? You can join the team, then we start making this money together. It's very easy. So now I'm going to put my stop loss. If you really don't know how to stop loss, make sure you're watching, because this is going to help you so much. We're getting to the profit, guys. We're getting to the profit. I told you, guys. I told you. So let's put our stop loss. So my stop loss is going to be below this zone right here. The zone that you see here is going to be below this zone right here. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you put the stop loss at the light area. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can lose because you didn't give enough stop loss, and sometimes you can also lose because you put your stop loss where it was not supposed to be. You don't have to put a bigger stop loss, and you don't have to tighten the market. The stop loss, it always has its own area to be. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right here at this number. The number that I'm gonna use to put a stop loss is number 19.24. So I need to write down this number, guys. I need to write down this number. Yeah, always, guys, make sure you take your time to do your things, because when it comes to the market, guys, don't play, don't pray, guys, don't pray, because this is the money, all right? So you have to make sure you do the right things, because you don't need to do mistakes. A small mistake, it's gonna take your money. You know what I'm saying? So number is 19.2475 and 1. So this is going to be my stop loss, guys. 19.24751. Yes, sir. This one right here. Let me show you where is my stop loss. My stop loss is right here. Here is my stop loss, guys. You can see the blue line. This is my stop loss, and I'm gonna kill this market, guys, from here to here. Yes, sir. This is what I'm gonna kill the market to, from here to there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you do the right things, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be busy with my team, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I'm gonna be busy with my team. So I wish you guys a good day, and make sure you do the right things. Peace, guys. I'm out.